Do you know many people are having trouble with locating the reset button on their DEEBOT T30 PRO OMNI? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Identify RESET button. Look at the product diagram provided with the vacuum to identify the RESET button, located near the TrueMapping feature. Step 2. Press and hold. To reset, press and hold the RESET button for 5 seconds. Step 3. Listen for prompt. You will hear a voice prompt, and the startup music will play, confirming the reset. Step 4. Confirm reset. Your DEEBOT T30 PRO OMNI is now restored to its default settings. Step 5. Handle with care. Handle the RESET button with care to avoid unnecessary resets or damage. By following these steps, you should now easily locate and use the reset button on your DEEBOT T30 PRO OMNI. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other ECOVACS users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.